having this big of a crowd. So let's see the chat people. On behalf of everybody 17th Street Automotive, thank you, Chamber of Commerce, for recognizing the hard work of such honorable small business owners. It's already hard enough doing business by yourself, but to be recognized on all our hard work and dedication, it's truly an honor. I wanted to congratulate Hunt Club Farm for tying with us, which is already a great honor for their excellent team. I wanted to take Tommy Courtney, my mentor, my boss, who helped me transition through all the business. My mom and my family, they are my rock. My dedicated crew and our loyal customers. My lady, Jacinta, who has reignited my desire to do better in every way and to reignite everything that I love to do. And I'm just a humble mechanic here in the States with you guys and trying to spread love, great service, and it's just truly an honor to be Small Business of the Year nominee for the regional. Thank you.